Hey everybody, it's Detective Smile, and I got up at 5 o'clock this morning. Some people might say, what the heck is he doing up so early? Well, when you have a family, the best time to record is in the morning, because it is quiet. So, my first video that I did on the Deus 2 audio tones, it did pretty good. So I decided to do another one. So I'm gonna do some US older coins, some ones that I found, and then I'm gonna do some Canadian coins that I found, and I'm gonna do some coins that I purchased, and I'd really like to find them but haven't done so yet. And then I got 2 tokens that I'm gonna do. So I hope you enjoy. Again, I can't get out, so I'm gonna keep doing videos of the Deus 2 indoors. So, all right, let's listen to the tones. We're gonna stick in the general program again, and the only thing that I did do is I set the sensitivity to 60 because I am shooting indoors. So let's hear some of the tones. So first coin is going to be a Kennedy $50, 1991. Again, we can see the consistent VDI. All right, next one will be, and this set of coins is are the ones that I found. So this is a 1960 silver eagleback quarter. Next is a 1939 Mercury dime, or Merc. Next one is a Rosie dime, 1951. Next is a Standing Liberty, 1918. That's a very nice coin. That was the first coin I found actually with my Equinox. So okay, 1944 war nickel. So that's made of silver. All right, this one is hard to see, but it is a 1 cent. It's a 1842 large cent. This one's pretty cool. It is a Indian head 1888, and that one I found, and it is hold. Someone maybe wore that at one time. Next coin is a 1868. I think that's what that was, and it's an Indian. It's a fat Indian. It's called fat Indians were thicker than normal. And you can see it did have a different VDI than the regular Indian. Okay, so on to a Canadian. Found this on one of the lakes in the Finger Lakes, 1937 King George. Very nice coin. Another Canadian, 1 penny. It's an older one, 1932. Also a very nice coin. All right. Said I'd do something little, didn't say about this in the beginning, but we're going to do a 1992 Chuck E. Cheese token. 1992 is a good year for me. All right. And this is a baseball token I found. No cash value. Very good shape. Okay, now on to the coins that I have purchased. Never found any of these in this good a shape. So this is a V nickel, it's called. 1911. 1911. A buffalo nickel. 1936 buffalo nickel. $18.68 2-cent piece. Very good condition. $18.55 large cent, and that I bought, and caught my eye, and I just had to have that coin. So very, very beautiful coin. All right, starting into the big silver. Walking Liberty, 1932 Walking Liberty. All right, almost done. 1921 Morgan silver dollar. Would love the weight of those silver dollars. Notice the continuous VDI, and what's interesting is it had a lower VDI than the some of the other coins, but yet it is bigger and heavier than the other coins. So I don't know if that's a Deus thing or that's how it's seeing the reactivity of the coin itself. All right, last coin, 1922 piece dollar. All right, very heavy coin. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed those tones. Again, we were in the general program and we did not do anything except I did turn the sensitivity down because I was inside. So I'm gonna keep doing the videos indoors until I can get out, and I hope that spring comes soon because I want to take this machine out and run some tests actually in the ground and see how it performs. So I'm gonna take it to places that I've been before and see if I can pull anything good out. I'm still gonna, I think, stick with the general program just till I get used to it. So again, please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that bell so the next time there's a video that comes out, you know it's coming. All right, hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment, and as always, see you on a good hole, and also keep digging.